Damn, I can see clearly with this motherfucker. This motherfucker. I'm not a second. Oh. Oh. Come here. This nigga don't want me to live, Your Honor. This shit is terrifying, Your Honor. Do y'all hear me though?
Alright. Swapping the seats because I don't like the way the EP3 seats fit. In the other car, I don't know what it is, they feel better in the hatch. But yeah, in the coupe, these EP3 seats don't feel that good, in the driver's seat at least. I feel like that seat is crooked. I'm 90% sure it is actually. So in this car, when you have the super stiff clutch and you know, hard shifter and whatnot, it's a little more important. It definitely makes a huge difference. This seat, I don't know, it feels a lot better. Obviously it belongs in here, but just having that seat in there, it felt really bad. Seating position just always felt off to me, and I'm sure y'all even heard me complaining about it in the video before. But see, in this car, the EP3 seat actually feels pretty decent. Like, yeah, it's still crooked, but I think because of this clutch pedal is regular and like it's so soft, it's just not as noticeable. So the seating position in here feels a lot more comfortable. One more thing I forgot to mention about this car. I fixed that ringing noise that my shifter was making. Basically the little ball down there came loose and it was just rattling around. So that's probably why my car had been popping out of fourth gear too. I honestly thought it was something else. I didn't know it was the ball part of the shifter. So yeah, it feels different now too. But yeah, no more noise while I'm driving the car. That crap is annoying.
Okay. Alright. Damn, I can see clearly with this motherfucker. This motherfucker in my... This is a great ass mirror. God damn. Wow.
It's the Broadway joint.
Wow. I can see my whole face, bro.
I was just telling Ed, I was like, in my car, this is the only mirror I use, and in your car, I can't even use that mirror. You can't see nothing out that back window.
This is dope. Alright. Oh! Relax, baby. Relax, baby. Relax, baby. Relax, baby. Yeah, bro, put your seatbelt on.
You gotta go at an angle, so the car's too low. Yeah, no power steering.
Yes, sir. We out of here though.
All right, now go straight. Okay, you ain't started yet.
Who you talking to? Who you talking to? Who you talking to? Let's stick with your break. Oh, too much runner. Too much runner. Oh. Am I a second? I'm not a second. Oh. Come here. Come here.
I'm dead.
I can't find a second, bro.
Hold on, let me see. You was already in second.
What?
I think.
Oh. That motherfucker is sensitive, bro. Talk about sensitive.
Dead.
I'm barely touching that, bro.
Yeah, bro. Just so you know, that's good. Just so you know, when you lower this car, it's gonna be all over the place.
I saw it in your video.
Yeah.
I saw that joint. Okay. I'm in neutral, right? Right. Let me see. I think I'm a second, bro. What are you talking about? I do this driving shit. drive and shit. Niggas gotta be fucked up like they don't know. Like they don't know, you know? This is what I do, bro. Oh shit. What are you talking about? Y'all y'all can't see because the camera this way, but there's a little tercel right here. I used to whip that thing, you know what I'm saying? This is a piece of cake, bro. This is a shit.
This nigga act like he didn't have a whole BRZ.
Oh shit, I almost lost where the clutch was. No cat. No kids out just now. Wow. Yo, the BRZ shit, that shit drove itself. That clutch drove itself, bro. Oh, this shit fun, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna take this shit another round. I just don't like people speeding down here. Ain't there a difference? Like, what are y'all tripping on, bro? I'm working on my car, bro. I'm just testing it out, bro. God, bro. Like, I need to relax, bro.
You can take it out the neighborhood.
Oh, shit. I was already in a second, bro. I'm scared to take it out of the neighborhood. Yeah.
I'm scared to take it out the neighborhood.
Okay. Because a motherfucker wobble even when it's in the gears, too. Okay.
Yeah. He said okay.
Okay. That's why I was lost. I was like, bro. Hold on now. Motherfucker want to get up on me, don't you? Motherfucker want to get up.
This nigga making me nervous.
Nah, it didn't feel as bad as I
As bad as you thought it would?
Yeah. I thought I was going to struggle with it. Yeah, but not bad. See, bro, you did all of this and you mean to tell me you can't do stars in the ceiling?
This is an old Civic. You got a freaking brand new Beamer.
But still, bro.
You about to be ripping the top of. Oh my God. This crap rubbed that bad?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and take it outside the neighborhood, man. Go do a pool.
This nigga don't want me to live, Your Honor. First of all, now I gotta take it out of gear, put it in first.
Just be careful with first gear, because that crap will get crazy on you.
Here we go.
You didn't even crack VTEC, nigga.
Wow, I'm slow as fuck.
You gotta take that hole all the way to the 8.
See, well, I see that, bro. See, I'm nervous to do that, bro.
All the way to the 8.
All the way to the 8, huh? Okay, I understand, brother. But see, check this out. This ain't my car, you know, so,
You good.
I'm not used to it, you know. Man said all the way to the 8. He was getting up on me. That's why he was getting up on me.
Don't be putting it in fourth.
Edit this out, bro. Cut, bro. Bro. Cut, bro. Hey.
Oh, damn.
Wow. I completely missed second, huh?
Oh,
That's what you're telling me? I did. I was on that motherfucker too. I was there. I did just see that gauge go. Oh.
Yeah, this feels terrible in this car.
I ain't know he was like that. I shouldn't have did this, bro. I feel like I'm finna stall now. That's why they want to come out the neighborhood, bro. Fuck, bro.
This sounds like I'm about to start. Yeah, brother, you got it. You gonna turn right here?
Yeah. Okay. What are you talking about?
Is that alright?
7,800, you know? 70 something.
You want me to show you what it really feel like?
Yes.
Yeah,
I'm scared.
switch right here.
You gonna switch right here? Alright, bet.
I ain't tripping. I'm no punk.
Damn! Oh, my phone!
Alright. Show this boy the VTEC.
Okay. Okay, let me see. Let me see what it is, bro. Let me hold everything.
That's what makes it fun. He said, I see.
I see.
Sketchy factor makes it fun. Definitely like these seats a lot better here than in the hatch. I had different seats in here at first. These are just the stock seats. Feel better. Too fast to stop.
This shit is terrifying, Your Honor. Do y'all hear me though? Wow. I need a smoke.
I'm dead.
I need a smoke. This is what you was doing, huh? When you was doing me? When you was, okay. Okay.
It's kind of a blast.
Huh?
It's a blast. I'm terrified.
Oh my god. This shit is a beast.
My car feels a little more sketchy than, well, it feels a lot more sketchy than Justice does, actually. Like the torque steer in this car is ridiculous compared to his. I don't know why his car feels so dialed. He just bought it like this. He ain't nothing to it. Like nothing will ever happen. No way, ECT, what is that at right now?
164.
Yeah, that's perfect. Even after all that beating, means that it's good.
Lord have mercy. Lord
I'm gonna cut that out the video though.
This motherfucker is fast, bro. Oh my god.
It's just a stock engine. All I got is bolt-ons. Nothing internally has been done to this engine. It just got Civic standard.
That shit was fire in the bitch. Oh God.